All right, your sentiments on the markets today?
Yeah, today the bond market, we saw a continued, like what we experienced last week. The bullish trend of last week continued into the market today, due to investors' appetite and the liquidity in the system, and also looking at the fact that the yield on the maturities are still attractive and is way above inflation. We saw like a bullish trend continue today in the market.
All right, so obviously yields attractive, and that's what's making investors move on to the fixed income side. Post the September 30th deadline on the banks, do you expect to see the reverse effect, investors moving back to equities?
Well, if we're looking at like the auction of last month, we saw foreign investors participating more in the market. And we also see that because in the light of the fact that the yields on this market is still attractive, it's a bit attractive than what you have in the equities. And also the security market for now is like a safe haven for every investor. I don't see a downward trend in investors' appetite in the security market.
So we won't see that exodus. But what's needed to sustain this current rally in fixed income assets? Obviously, I mean, investors are going to be looking at a variety of things. For instance, the regulatory environment, the growth prospects, the stability of the Naira, management of inflation, all those things looking good as we speak. But are we expecting them to look good into the second half of the year?
Well, currently, yeah, everything is looking good because for the inflation figure has tailored down to a single digit, down to 9.4% from 10.2% at June. We've seen the aggressive use of the OMO to manage liquidity in the system. We also see a situation where the government is showing some sign of seriousness in its fiscal discipline as regards its spending. And all of this put together, yes, we see the market being so sustained and investors' confidence still there. Yes, one or two security issues, we've had in the past, but the government is also putting every measures to curtail whatever insecurity that has trailed the economy. And if all of this put in place, we see the market sustainable and investors' appetite for Nigerian security sustained as well.